Well, welcome to 477 Pitt Street. This is kind of, for me, a bit of, our ambition is that this is a bit of ground zero for Tech Central. We have the soon to be known as the Innovation Hub, or the Tech Central Scale Up Hub, which is as it's known now, here in the building. 8,000 square meters of startup and scale up space here. But when we were thinking about who to partner with when the decision was being made about where to center our efforts in this neighborhood, the opportunity to partner with ISPT, who have been an amazing partner, someone who, the Industry Super Funds Property Trust shared in our vision for the renewal both of this building and the neighborhood as a center of energy for innovation and technology in this city. And so they made a bunch of really smart moves, both around the way they reimagined this building, which used to be the Commonwealth office block in Sydney. So it has beautiful bones, some really beautiful concrete, some of my favorite in the city. But they stripped it all back, and they really thought about what its future use would be. And that's how you see this great entry space, an amazing screen that really grapples and understands place and helps tell a story of the very long history of this place. It's not 200, 250 years, it's 60,000 years. And so they've done some really smart things in bringing on great designers to design with country in mind. There's an amazing rooftop, which has been designed and implemented in partnership with an Indigenous exterior design business. And so the kind of reimagining of this space has really then translated into making it a natural home for startups here. And so when we were looking for where to build the startup hub and where to build the scale up hub and taking some lessons from all the work that I've been involved with in the past around the establishment of the Sydney Startup Hub, we were looking for a landlord partner that would work with us. And that's what we found here. And that's really driven an array of the decisions that followed. One of the other amazing things of this space is the Collider space, which will come to life for the tech community in a week or so's time for the Tech Council's summit. That the landlord was already building the assets that we needed to help catalyze a community. And then what is upstairs is entirely about workplace and workspace to really accelerate the way startups and scale-ups grow. And that is your Tech Central tour. I thank you so much for coming with me on this journey around my favorite innovation neighborhood. I'm here to help you connect. Well, there are many innovation neighborhoods around the world, but this is my favorite. So thank you.